Hello, my name is Tsem, and I am a Dorje Shugden practitioner, and I wish no ill toward His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the CTA, Central Tibetan Administration, and China. I have been practicing my practice that's been given to me by my teacher for the last 30 years, and it's a personal spiritual journey, and I wish to be accepted, and I wish to be respected just like any other citizen of the earth, irregardless of my spiritual practice. I'd like to give you a list of High Lamas in Tibet for the last 400 years that have been practicing Dorje Shugden. And this is just the High Lamas, not including the great masters who are not on this list, which number into the thousands, and their disciples that numbers into the millions for the last 400 years. Here is the list of Dorje Shugden Lamas who practice Dorje Shugden. His Holiness Kajip Pabongko Rinpoche the first, His Holiness Kajip Pabongko Rinpoche the second, His Holiness Kajip Pabongko Rinpoche the third. I would like to say this with a lot of respect, but this is a list of lamas who do not practice Dorje Shugden. They are His Holiness, the great 13th Dalai Lama, and His Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama, and that was after 40 years old he stopped. Prior to that, he didn't practice. This is a list of lamas who do not practice. That was a list of all the High Lamas for the last 400 years that practiced Dorje Shugden, not including the thousands of monks and nuns who were also spiritual teachers in their own right, and their hundreds of thousands and millions of disciples. All these lamas practiced. You decide, were they all wrong